waterfall at the moment. It's showering a lot of water. A whole lot of water. So this is where we stand and this is the view. And how beautiful it is. Usually there's a rainbow over there. I have seen it. This is the view. This is actually the area where it's coming from. It's actually coming from the Upper Düden. So in summers you will see a lot of water sports here. So you see the lines and all. So this is how it looks. It's actually pretty stormy right now, and it's rain in the evening and I believe tomorrow as well. So you can see this is like a spotlight of the sun on the sea. This is where I never witnessed anything like this.